Good morning, dear students. In the last two classes, we have started our second chapter, Advanced Functions Features of the Excel. In that, we have seen about the components of chart and different type of chart. Now, we will learn how to create a chart in this session. So now we will learn how to create a chart in the Excel. So Excel offers a feature to create an embedded chart in the worksheet along with the source data and other information present in the worksheet. That means first of all you have to create a source data, that what we are using to make a card, make the chart. So like this, first of all you have to create a data sheet that you can use to make the chart. So after creating this, if you have to select and click on insert tab. In the chart group, select the desired category, that means the category of chart, that means the different type of chart that we have learned. From that you have to select the chart type, and the new tabs design, layout and format appears in the chart tools. From that you have to select which type of chart you want to make. After that you have to select the chart layout under the group design tab. Choose the desired style from the chart and observe the change. All the titles, data labels, legends, detail mentioned in the selected data range that will be displayed in the chart. See here heading, chart, legends and everything is displaying on the chart. So to change the data range, you have to click on the right click or select data from the shortcut menu. The dialog box appear, then you have to click OK for making the desired changes. That means you can change the chart according to your requirement, and you can change the data. Their reflection will be visible in this chart. If you are changing the data according to that, it will be reflected to the chart what you have selected. And you can also select the different type of chart, but by using the same data. That means the data what we have taken this, and you can make the different type of chart by using the same data. After that, the next point is how to format a chart. Formatting means how to give the different look. That means title, text, font, line, color, width, border style, legends, data series, etc. All this font and color you can change. You can change the value or axis or grid lines, and you can format the chart in all these different ways. So all these things I will show you with the help of the practical also, but first you see the steps, what steps we have to go through to make the changes. So first of all you have to go to the insert tab, then select chart type, choose the layout tab, select the chart element that you want to format. Then after this is the step for the formatting a chart. Then the next topic is changing the plot area background. Plot area background, that means what you are seeing here, the background of this chart is white, So you can change this background according to your required color or your need or different type of texture. So many different type of background color and texture are available in the Excel, so you can change with the help of that. So what are the different steps? Let us see. You can modify the chart area by changing its background. So first of all, you have to right click on the plot area, that means on the your chart, then click the right button on that, then select the border style, border color, shadow, etc. according to your choice. Then by default the fill tab is selected. Select the solid fill option in the right panel. Click the color button. From here you can select the different type of color, like this menu will appear, and from that you can select the different type of color according to your requirement. Then click the close button and observe the changes what take place according to what the changes you have selected. So now the next topic is inserting the chart title. So where you can insert the chart title. So let us see the example. What is the chart title? Here in this graph you can see the marks here. That is the title of the chart. So you can give different heading according to the chart what you are making. So it is known as the chart title. So what are the steps to give the chart title? So first of all, you have to insert a chart. You need to specify the chart title, and about the kind of chart you have to select the title about the kind of chart what you are making, and it enhances the appearance of the chart. With the help of this you can increase the attraction on the chart. That means you can use different color or different type of font to give the heading that will make your chart attractive. So what are the steps you have to follow? So first of all, you have to select the chart, then click on chart title button in the labels group on the label layout, and select the desired option from the drop down list. Then suppose you have selected above chart option, a text will appear right above the chart title written inside it. Click inside the text box placeholder and type the desired title for your chart. After typing the chart title, click anywhere outside. So after giving performing all this step, you can give a title to your chart by using the different formatting things available in the Excel, and you can give the chart title that will be according to the chart what you are making. So after inserting the chart title, if you want to review your chart title, that means if you want to change the chart title, or if you want to change the font or color or anything or texture or the background of the chart, so you can also do it with the help of formatting chart title. So what is the method to change or to make the change or modify the chart? So first of all, you have to go to the title, what title you have given in the previous step. First of all, you have to go there and you have to click right mouse button, or you have to click the chart title on the label group. Then a drop down menu will appear. Select more title option and click format chart title. Now you can format your chart title by using the different option available there. The second method, what I have already told, first you have to click, first of all you have to go to the title, then click right there. You have to click the right mouse button there, then the format chart title box will appear, and from that you have to select the what type of changes you want to make or you want to do in that title. And so many different type of formatting options will appear there, and with the help of that you can change the title of your chart. So our next topic is formatting the axis. So first of all, you should know what is an axis. So in the previous classes I have already told you about the different components of the chart. In that I have taught you about the axis, x-axis and the y-axis of the chart. So two type of axis are there. So you see in this graph here, 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. This vertical axis is known as the y-axis, and here at the down where marks are written, that axis is known as the x-axis. And these the names Kabir, Rajat, Ridhima, Ankita, Vijay, all these are known as the legends. All these are the components of the chart that I have already told you in the previous classes. What are the different components of the chart? So all that computer will be uses while making or creating the chart. So we were talking about the formatting the axis of the chart. So I have already shown you what are the axes. Now how can you format the axis? So for formatting the axis, that means if you want to interchange the axis, so whatever the numbers you have taken on the y-axis, if you want to take that number on the x-axis, or whatever the different students name what you have taken on the x-axis, you want to take that on the y-axis. For that you have to format the axis. So what are the steps required here? So first of all, you have to go and click the chart, select it, then point the mouse on y-axis and right click there. Format axis option will appear. Then the format axis dialog box, the axis option tab is selected by default. Click the fixed radio button by minimum the field and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the text box of the maximum field. Click on the close button. The scale on the chart changes according to likewise the change in the property of x-axis. Like this, different type of options are available. When you click on the axis option, see, so by this you can change or format your